Construction Website Template with Divi. We highlight 2 construction website templates that will help you build a compelling digital platform. Let's explore a premium and a free option. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Let's begin with a premium construction website template available in the Divi marketplace. Priced at $39, it's a well-crafted. Let's dive into the live demo and take a closer look at its features. Starting with an impressive hero section, this area captivates visitors from the get-go. Moving on, we find a detailed services section, perfectly positioned to highlight what your business excels in. Next, this gallery section is ideal for showcasing recent projects. It provides the perfect canvas for displaying your craftsmanship. Following the gallery, this testimonial section builds trust with quotes and praises from satisfied clients. Additionally, a dynamic blog section keeps your audience engaged with the latest industry updates, expert advice, and company news. Next, this About section is where your business's story comes to life, offering clients insight into your values and mission. Finally, the footer ties it all together, offering easy navigation and essential contact information, creating a seamless user experience. Now let's explore a fantastic free option. Here's a walkthrough of its impressive features. Beginning with a striking hero section, this area sets the stage for your site's narrative. Next, an informative services section outlines your business's key offerings, tailored to inform and attract prospective clients. This About Us section, painting a picture of your company's heritage and commitment to excellence. Next, this How We Work section, complete with a video component, allows you to visually communicate your process and engage visitors further. This Years of Experience section stands out by reassuring clients of your industry expertise and reliability. A testimonial section once again builds credibility, highlighting positive feedback and success stories from past clients. Finally, the Contact Us section is crucial for closing the loop, providing prospects an easy way to reach out with any queries or project requests. Personalize it with your details to maximize connectivity. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.